Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and good. Okay, let's start our class for fourth class term 2 science. Okay, fourth class term 2 science. Okay, already we started our lesson. What is our lesson name? Weather. Okay, in previous class we learned about the sea breeze. Today we are going to learn about the land breeze. At night, the land cools down faster than the sea. Therefore, at night, the warmer air above the sea is lighter than the cool air above land. The warm air below above the sea rises. The cool air above the land flows towards the sea to take place of the warm air. Thus, a cool breeze blows towards the sea at night from land. This is known as a land breeze. So, what happened at the night time, the land becomes sudden very fastly it cool down. So at the night time what happened, it will be in cool only. So faster the land become and faster cooler than the sea. sea से भी land क्या होता जल्दी cool हो जाता night time. Okay, therefore at night the warm air about the sea is lighter than the cool air above the land. So what happened at the night time above the sea, what happened, there is a lighter air than the land. there is a warm air. sea के ऊपर क्या रहता warm air रहता और land के ऊपर cool air रहता. Okay, the warm air above the sea rises. What happened, the warm air which is present above the sea it rises. The cool air above the land flows towards the sea. So what happened, the warm air will be in rises up and the cool air which is present on the land, it takes place to the warmer place. It takes place where it takes place, it takes place on the sea. Okay, thus a cool breeze blows towards the sea at night from land. This is known as a land breeze. Land breeze means nothing but the warm air which is blowing during the night on the sea, it rises up and the cool air which is present on the land, it enters into it moves towards the sea. So that process is called as a land breeze. Next, changes in the states of water. So water exists in nature has no water and water vapor. Water changes is from heating and cooling. So how the water will be exist, it will be in solid, liquid, gas. Is nothing but solid is in snow, liquid is in water, and water vapor is in gas. So what happens, solid means snow means what, it is in an ice, that's why it is in solid, and water is in liquid and water vapor is in gas. So water will be in changing from an heating and cooling. So if you are heating, what happen, it becomes in liquid. If you are cooling, what it becomes in solid. Okay, now evaporation. The heat of the sun changes to water vapor. The process by which water changes to water vapor on heating is called evaporation. So evaporation is nothing but the heat of the sun changes to the water vapor. If you are heating the water, what happen, it changes into an water vapor. If you are cooling the water, it changes to an solid. So the heat of the sun changes to water vapor. So जैसे धूप के वजह से water vapor में भी change हो रहा. So the process by which water changes to water vapor on heating is called as an evaporation. So if we are heating, what happen, जैसा भाप आती, भाप में क्या है, वाटर वेपर, दैट इज एन गैस. आफ्टर कूलिंग दैट वाटर वेपर, व्हाट हैपेंड, देयर इज एन टाइनी लिक्विड water particles will be there. The heating of the water, that process is the heating of water that is changing into an water vapor. After boiling the water, that process is called as an evaporation. Evaporation of water takes place at the faster rate. So what happened, evaporation will be taken at a faster rate. There is a strong wind, the surface of the water body exposed is large, the temperature in the surrounding is high, and the air is dry. So how the water vapor is taking means, if there is a strong wind and the surface of the water body is exposed in large, and the surrounding the temperature is very high, and the air is rise, so evaporation will be takes place as a faster rate. You might have noticed that clothes take a longer time to dry on a rainy day and on a dry day. This is because on a rainy day there is a lot of water vapor in the air. This slows down the evaporation of water from the wet clothes. So you can notice, if there is an sunny day, what happen, the clothes it will be dry very soon. If there is a windy day, it takes a long time to dry the clothes. So it is one example how the clothes are drying on slowly, the evaporation takes place in the earth. I hope you all understood the class, and remaining topic we will continue in the next lesson, and your homework is And your homework is this: evaporation of water takes place at a faster rate when there is a strong wind, the surface of the water body exposed is large, the temperature in the surrounding is high, the air is dry. So, till here, your homework, write one time from here to here. Thank you.